Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out this video. If you can like this video and subscribe to the channel, it will be greatly appreciated. This is Larry Poteat Jr. I'm your real estate agent as well as your financial planning consultant. In today's video, we're focusing on the third component of the BSI challenge, which is the budgeting, saving, and investing challenge. So that means we're focusing on, yes, that's investing. So with investing, we have to make sure that we set aside money within our budget. So we have our budget, we're tracking everything associated in our budget. We have a dedicated bucket set aside for saving. Inside of that bucket, we have to dedicate resources for investing. We're doing that because what we want to do is we just don't want to be consumers. When we look at our budget and we see expenses, majority of those expenses are going to companies because we're buying products and services from various companies, whether that's McDonald's, Target, Walmart. If we're going to invest and if we're going to buy, we need to make sure we're buying assets as well. And so with assets, we can look at the stock market. We can look at buying shares within a company. We're already believing in products and services. We're already paying for them within the expenses in our budget. So when we make those target runs, let's change our perspective and start to look at the company. Instead of just going in and buying those products, how about buying a share into Target? Target shares of their stock run about $150. So let's just say within the month, we're going to set aside $150 to buy one share of Target stock. What that can do is that can increase our net worth, increase our stock portfolio when it comes to that particular stock. So the value can increase. That's called appreciation. But also with stocks such as Target, they also have dividends associated with that as well. So a dividend payment is a payment that owners of that particular stock receive. That could be on a monthly basis, a quarterly basis, or on a yearly basis. In this case, Target produces a dividend payment every 3 months or every quarter. So just imagine our stock portfolio or our net worth can increase by buying shares of a particular stock, not just Target, but also in the case of Target, we can actually get a payment on a quarterly basis. That definitely sounds like a win-win, probably a win-win-win. So let's change our perspective and let's buy assets. Instead of making that Target run, let's make fewer runs and buy one share of Target every month. Let's look at McDonald's differently. Let's buy a share of McDonald's every month. Or if you're buying gas, you can buy ExxonMobil. If you're buying cars, you can buy Ford stock or you can buy Tesla stock. If you're a gamer, you can look at Nvidia, you can look at Intel. There are so many companies out there. There are so many opportunities to invest that are all around us. We're buying various products and services every single day. You look at your cell phone, you look at the cell phone providers, whether it's Verizon, AT&T, we can buy shares within this company. And what does that make us? That makes us an owner of that particular company. So our shares can buy ownership with that, which is powerful. So like I said, it's not just an exercise. It's not just a part of a challenge. This is the opportunity for us to invest in ourselves, which will produce assets for us later and will provide us additional income later as well. And that's what it's all about. So I hope you guys are rocking with me throughout this journey, making sure that we're budgeting, making sure that we're setting aside money for saving, but also looking at buying assets and not just buying products and services. Because we have enough expenses within our budget, let's start buying things that's going to add to our income so we can have more income than we do expenses. I hope that made sense. I hope you guys are with me with this BSI challenge. Remember, we're staying disciplined, we're staying consistent, and we're staying accountable. So I'm looking forward to hearing any questions that you guys have or any feedback. I hope you guys have a blessed day. God bless.